Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to differentiate these questions. But please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Thank you for your support. All right, question 1. To differentiate this question, we need to state the logarithm of both sides. So this will become ln y equals to ln x to the power of x. And we can switch this over here. So this will become ln y equals to x ln x. So now we can differentiate both sides with respect to x. So if we differentiate y, this would give us 1 over y times dy dx, and this is equals to differentiate x ln x, we need to use the product rule. So we can keep x and then differentiate ln x. So differentiate ln x, and then plus we can keep ln x, then differentiate x with respect to x. So this will be equals to x times, if we differentiate ln x, this is ln x. If we differentiate ln x, that is going to give us 1 over x plus ln x times, if we differentiate this x, that is going to give us 1. So simply write it here. So now x times 1 will give us x, so we now have x over x plus ln x times 1 will give us ln x. So x over x will simply give us 1 plus ln x. So now we simply need to bring this one down. So we now have 1 over y dy dx. So at this point, we can use this y over here, just simply cross multiply it down here, and this will become dy dx is equals to y, just open a bracket, 1 plus ln x. So remember that at the beginning we said y is equals to, at the beginning we said y is equals to x to the power of x. So let's take the value of y, which is x to the power of x, and just substitute it here. So this will now become x to the power of x, open bracket, 1 plus ln x. So dy dx is simply this. So this is the answer to this question, and I hope it makes some sense. All right, let's go to the next question. Question 2. To differentiate this, we also need to take the natural logarithm of both sides. So this will be ln y equals to ln 2 to the power of x squared. So we also need to just bring this over here. and this will become ln y equals to x squared ln 2. So now we need to differentiate both sides with respect to x. So this will become 1 over y times dy dx, and this is equals to, if we differentiate this, is going to give us 2x ln 2. So now we need to take this y, simply cross multiply it, and then dy dx is equals to y, open bracket, 2x ln 2. Remember that y is equals to 2, as you can see over here. Y is equals to 2 to the power of x squared. So let's simply bring it here. 2 to the power of x squared, let's open a bracket, 2x ln 2, close brackets. So this is the answer to this question, and I hope it makes some sense. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and also share it with your friends. Thank you very much for your support. See you in our next video. Bye bye.